This workshop will entail basically defining what body image and self-confidence is, and then identifying how we've been conditioned to think and why our habits are the way they are. We are then going to realize how to regain ourselves, and that's basically taking a step back and realizing that we are more than just a body, okay? Once we have shared our experiences and bounce some ideas off through that, we're going to move on to writing down a plan for all of us to take away, to overcome triggers, to challenge and be conscious of our negative thoughts, and to overall step out of that cycle and eventually feel more empowered and self-confident with ourselves and our body. It's a great opportunity for us ladies to be in a safe space and share our experiences and realize that we are all on the same journey. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, so please join us on the 22nd of May on a Wednesday at 7 p.m. here at BTC in Loughborough.